Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for tech news, Huntress acquires network-aware endpoint detection and response technology from Level Effect to strengthen the platform capabilities. The acquisition brings malicious network traffic detection and expanded forensic capabilities to the Huntress security platform, regardless of endpoint location. Huntress is the leading provider of managed detection and response with human-powered threat hunting. Known as Raycon, the technology is the first EDR solution that merges endpoint forensics with sophisticated network traffic visibility with no appliance required. Raycon can see what's happening to protected endpoints, both internally and externally, providing unparalleled visibility and detection of attacker behavior, including payload downloads, lateral movement, and more. This new acquisition will allow Huntress to expand and strengthen its response and detection capabilities, allowing the company's partners to capture more holistic views of endpoint security and better protect their end customers. Founder and CEO at Huntress, Kyle Hansloven, stated, "We're thrilled to bring Level Effect's Raycon technology to Huntress. Our core telemetry today focuses primarily on persistence-enabled attacks. By integrating Raycon, our platform will respond to malicious network sessions, event logs, and non-persistent threats, allowing us to support broader cybersecurity use cases and defend additional attack surfaces." This is great news for the cybersecurity world, and thank you, Huntress, for your hard work. Here at Larry the Computer Guy, we hope that you have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.